Voting in Uttarakhand is round the corner. The state goes to polls on 15th February and campaigning in the state will come to an end on Monday evening. Political parties in the fray like BJP, Congress and BSP are pulling out all stops while canvassing for votes, with leaders with national stature sweating it out on the campaign trail. On Friday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was BJP's star campaigner in Haridwar in Uttarakhand. Addressing an election rally, he exhorted voters to not fritter away the opportunity before them, as the next 5 years will determine the direction in which the state is going to move. Taking on the Congress, PM asked the gathering, does the land of Uttarakhand deserve a corrupt government?
देव भूमि की पुनः प्रतिष्ठा होनी चाहिए कि नहीं होनी चाहिए, लेकिन एक दागी सरकार इसने इस देव भूमि की तपस्या को कलंकित करके रखा हुआ है। दाग की साया उस पर सवार है और इसलिए भाइयों बहनों, सवाल राजनीति का नहीं है, सवाल दल का नहीं है, सवाल उम्मीदवार का नहीं है। मुद्दा इस बात का है पूरा हिंदुस्तान देवभूमि के लिए गर्व करे, ऐसी देवभूमि बनाना हम सबका दायित्व है।
The Prime Minister promised to fulfill the development vision of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee for Uttarakhand. Taking a swipe at the state government, PM said that Congress's ministers were having fun abroad while the state was reeling under the Kedarnath disaster in 2013. He also highlighted steps taken by the centre to streamline the Char Dham pilgrimage.
ये केंद्र सरकार की जिम्मेवारी है कि जहां अब हिंदुस्तान चारों धाम की यात्रा करना चाहता है, सुख चैन से वो यात्रा करके घर लौट सके, समय पर लौट सके। और इसलिए 12,000 करोड़ रुपया लगा करके चार धाम को आधुनिक रस्तों से जोड़ने का काम हमने बिड़ा उठाया।
Haridwar has occupied political centre stage in the poll-bound state, with Chief Minister Harish Rawat contesting from Haridwar Rural Assembly seat. Other political parties too are undertaking hectic political campaigning. BSP Supremo Mayawati addressed a rally at Laksar in Haridwar on Thursday. Only Congress has kept its leaders with national stature away from the campaign trail. Chief Minister Harish Rawat is leading the Congress charge there.
यदि 3 साल तक उसको काम नहीं दे पाएंगे, उस नौजवान को 2,500 रुपये बेरोजगारी भत्ते के रूप में रोजगार भ्रष्टाचार उत्तराखंड बढ़ाएंगे।
Polling day is fast approaching, and issues dominating the election in Uttarakhand are corruption allegations against the Harish Rawat government, farmer issues, employment for youth and migration. News Night Desk, DD News.